Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. How are you all? How are you feeling with the classes? Are you okay? Today, we are going to learn about a sentence. What is a sentence? That is grammar. Introduction to grammar. Grade 2, Unit 1. Today we are going to learn what is a sentence. You know what is sentence? Of course you know. You are in class 2. All of you know what is a sentence. See, we'll explain to you. A sentence means a group of words. It will give you a complete sense. I ask you a question. What is your name? You will tell my name is. Okay? You will complete. You know. Was that name? What is? Is it correct? No. I will ask you, what is your name? Then you will answer, my name is. So let us see what is a sentence. See, a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Yani when I speak to you, when I tell you something, it is clear for you, you understand. If I ask, where are you going? You understand where you're going. The teacher is asking, where are you going? The person is asking, where are you going? So you understand, whatever we communicate, whatever we speak, the other person must understand. If it is in a sentence, they understand well. See, I'm going to give you some examples. See, here given example, read these words. Okay, we are going to give you some examples. Read these words. Grass, comma, eats a cow. Do you understand anything in this? You don't understand because it is not a complete sentence. It is not a correct sentence. Do these words make sense? No, they do not make sense. Now, read the same words in another order. See here. A cow eats grass. So what is the answer? A cow eats grass. A cow eats grass. Did you understand, children? A cow eats grass. Now these words make complete sense and they form what is called a sentence. This is a sentence. Sentence always start with capital letter and here is a full stop. See, at the end. So you see, a capital, a cow eats grass. Did you hear? Did you see? A cow eats grass. So it is a complete sentence. Now, we will take one more example. Okay? Let's take some more examples. Number 1. Children are the football playing. Is it correct? Children are the football playing. No, it is wrong. We will correct the sentence now. Okay? The children are playing football. What is the answer? The children are playing football. When you write T, you will write capital letter. See? This first letter will be capital letter. The children are playing football. The children are playing football. This is the correct sentence. This is not correct. You arranged it. Now you see the second sentence. Rises sun east in the. What will be the sentence? Can you just think or explain or tell me? So we will write the, always T capital. Only the first alphabet will be in capital letter. The sun rises in the east. The answer is the sun rises in the east. And east, I put capital letter because it is direction here, okay? And full stop. What is the sentence? The sun rises in the east. In the morning, you see the sunlight, yes or no? The morning, early in the morning, the sun rises in which side? In the east side. So the answer is the sun rises in the east. Did you understand, children? The sun rises in the east. Now, there are three important things to remember when you write a sentence. Now you are going to write sentence, okay? What you have to remember, what you should know when you write a sentence. See, three important things to remember when you write a sentence. Number one, the words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. The words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. Means I have to say the sentence correctly. Should be correct when I tell you. I shouldn't make a mistake. I should not jumble up the words. I have to say a correct sentence so that you may understand what I tell you. Here, number two, the sentence must begin with a capital letter. See here, capital T. Here also capital T. Number three, a full stop. This is called full stop. Must be placed at the end of the sentence. A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. So there are three things to remember. First, You must make the sentences clearly. You must say properly with all the words. The sentence must make complete sense. Second, it must begin, it must start with a capital letter. And when you finish writing, you will put a full stop at the end of the sentence. See, number 1, a peacock is a beautiful bird. This is wrong sentence. A peacock is a beautiful bird. What is the correct way? Is it correct? No, it is not correct. So we are going to correct the sentence, okay? We will write A capital. Here A small, here becomes capital. A, same. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Full stop. Read again. A peacock is a beautiful bird. Did you understand? Now, number 2. Number 2, girls love to play with dolls. Is it correct? Yes, but there is some mistake. There is no full stop here and there is no capital letter. So what we will write? Girls love to play with dolls. See, full stop. Capital letter and full stop in a sentence. Only you have to write here capital letter and here you have to put full stop. Did you understand? Girls love to play with dolls. What is the correct answer? Here capital G and end there is a full stop. So you will read girls love to play with dolls. Did you understand? Always remember, whenever you write a sentence, it has to begin, it has to start with capital letter and then you have to put full stop. Okay, children? Hope you have understood the lesson. Have a good day.